In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Workast via Slack. Workast is a project management integration that lets you turn everyday Slack conversations into organized, trackable tasks without leaving your workspace. That means instead of switching between chat and a separate task platform, you can create and manage tasks right where your team is already communicating. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect Workast to Slack and then create tasks quickly using a simple / command. To begin, open Slack on your desktop, either through the desktop app or in your web browser. Once your workspace is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps section. From there, click Add Apps so you can browse available integrations. In the search bar, type Workast and select the official app from the results. When its app page opens, click Add to Slack. Slack will then open a secure authorization window where you can review the permissions the app needs in order to work properly inside your workspace. After checking those permissions, click Allow to complete the connection. This step is important because Workast needs access to your Slack environment before it can create and manage tasks for you. Once Workast is connected, you're ready to create tasks directly inside a channel using /commands. This is one of the fastest methods because you can do it without opening extra menus or interrupting your workflow. Go to the channel where you want the task to live, then click into the message field at the bottom of the screen. In that input box, type the Workast /command followed by the task description, a due date keyword, and a tagged teammate if needed. For example, you would enter the command exactly in this structure: /to-do, then your task description, then a date such as today, and then a Slack user mention. This format helps Workast capture the key details right away: what needs to be done, when it's due, and who it's connected to. Keeping your task descriptions short but specific will make them easier to scan later, especially in busy team channels. If your team creates lots of tasks, consistency in wording can also make task lists much easier to manage. After